Are you looking for MMA gloves for your next training session than popular model? Check out our top 5 picks for the best gloves for MMA. From top brands like Hayabusa and Venom, these gloves are sure to help you take your training to the next level. So let's get started with the list.
Zubu MMA Gloves. Our MMA gloves with perforations on the palms for increasing breathability to make you feel cool. You will not sweat or feel hot during the training process. The half-finger boxing gloves are ideal for taekwondo, kickboxing, grappling, boxing, speed bag, and other lightweight training. These punching bag gloves, constructed with an ergonomically improved pre-curved design. Strong grip and not easy to rip. Made of high-quality premium PU leather and buffer sponge, these kicking gloves are strong and durable. These punching bag gloves are constructed with an ergonomically improved pre-curved design that provides solid wrist support. With perforations on the palms for increasing breathability, you will not sweat or feel hot during the training process. The half-finger boxing gloves are ideal for taekwondo, kickboxing, grappling, boxing, sparring, and martial arts training, etc.
List 2. RDX MMA Gloves Grappling Sparring.
The RDX MMA grappling gloves provide the optimally effective impact dispersion to the hands and fists during workouts.
These MMA gloves allow you to continue your training sessions with a reinvigorated spirit and perform better with our pre-curved design that reduces the effort and strain of your hands. The unique dual quick easy hook and loop closure on the wrist strap of the kickboxing gloves for men provides enhanced wrist support. The RDX MMA sparring gloves provide optimum impact dispersion to the hands and fists during workouts and come with a segmented design which allows for an easier, more fluid movement. Designed with a segmented pre-curved design, these MMA gloves allow the trainees to focus more on their grappling technique and less on hand strength, granting them the best performance. List number:
Brace Master MMA gloves for men and women. The Brace Master MMA gloves for men and women are the only gloves of this size that are specifically designed for martial arts training. Made with premium leather and 0.85mm padding, these gloves are perfect for daily training and competitions. A sleek look and open palm design gives you better grip without sacrificing shock absorption. These MMA gloves provide extra protection for your knuckles, wrists, and hands, with an elastic top guarantee that these gloves stay on during intense training sessions. Brace Master MMA gloves are made of 0.85mm PU padding and premium leather for more durability and comfort. The perforated design of MMA gloves provides enhanced protection, a better fit on the fingers, and a more comfortable fit. The kickboxing gloves feature an open palm design for greater breathability and comfort.
List number: Fighter Pro MMA Gloves for Grappling Sparring Training.
The Fighter gloves for sparring and MMA training are a high-quality entry-level product. They come with PU leather, sturdy stitching, and hard-wearing inner material to ensure long durability, as well as punching power, speed, and stability when punching. The extra soft inner material in between glove and hand ensures maximum comfort. Thanks to a simple, quick-release fastener, you can easily take these gloves off or put them on again during matches. When striking, these gloves produce full force without experiencing extra pressure or pulling on your knuckles. Our gloves for sparring, training, and MMA are made out of a PU leather and reinforced with hard-wearing inner material. The padding and inner material ensure maximum comfort during training or sparring. Our gloves are equipped with an extra soft inner material to guarantee maximum gripping power and stability in every situation.
List 5. YMX Boxing MMA Gloves.
The YMX Boxing MMA gloves are engineered for long-lasting usage with the ability to be broken down into smaller pieces and washed. The perforations on the palm area increase breathability and make you feel cool during training, while the thickened liner fits the knuckles of the fingers, protecting them from injury during sparring matches, grappling matches, and any other type of workout. These gloves are ideal for taekwondo, grappling,
boxing, speed bag, martial arts, or any lighter sparring. The YMX Boxing MMA Sparring Gloves offer remarkable durability and outstanding performance. Ergonomic inner padding to enhance the comfort and protection you are accustomed to. This pair of gloves is made of premium PU leather and designed for prolonged use. The top of these gloves are specifically designed with anti-slip grip patch, which keeps your hands secure during every move.